Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about the trade that I took this morning, or the trades I should say that I took this morning on Australian dollar US dollar. So I got into the market early this morning. This is what the market looks like now in the 1 minute. But usually what I do is when I wake up at around 6 o'clock, I come in and look at the charts. And this morning, so let's count back here. It's 8. Sorry, this time is different on MetaTrader. Okay, so 1, 2. So I woke up like right here. We had this green doji early this morning. And then when I hopped on the 1 minute, well, actually the 5 minute, I go to the 5 minute first, and I saw we were like right here in this area of support and resistance. Okay, so we were chopping around in this area, and I had a feeling that we were probably going to break through this support and resistance line right here. So this is what I was watching throughout the market this morning on the 5 and the 1 minute. But I took my first entry. So I'll go here. So I took my first entry today at 13:35 on this time, which is I think 3 hours ahead of the universal time. Let's see, 13. So I got in right here somewhere. Okay, 13:20. Okay, so I got in right here. So this was a bullish, bearish, bullish continuation pattern right here. And also what was happening as well is I saw that our 21 period smooth moving average was being respected. Now, mind you, all of this is happening on a downtrend. Okay, so the market is moving down on a higher time frame, and we're trading below the 200 smooth moving average on the hour time frame. So what I was expecting is for us to come back up and touch one of these moving averages. The 50 smooth moving average would be the first one. But if we drop down here to the 5 minute, like I said before, I got my entry, my first entry right there. Now, what happened after that was a lot. Okay, so I put in 4 positions at that spot, so that's 72363, and I always break my trade up into fours. So 1 and 2, I set 10 pips stop loss, and then a 1 and 2 would be 20 pips, but I break the 20 pips up into 4 TPs. Okay, equal TPs. So this first TP, which takes into account commission, is 6 pips away from my stop loss. The next one is 11 pips away. The next one is 16 pips away, and this last one is 21 pips away. So as you can see, the trade did go in my favor. It caught the first take profit. It couldn't quite reach my second take profit, so I ended up like when I manage my trades, if I hit my first TP, normally I'll move my stop loss up, and that's what happened right here. So I moved my stop loss up to 72376. Okay, and 376, that's basically 1 pip above where I entered. Okay, so let's check that out here. 72363. So that's right in here. I was 1325. So I entered right here. Okay. So that's a nice big bullish candle. And then the market came back down. Here it touched the 21 period smooth moving average. It came up. Okay. Now all in this range right here, what I'm doing during this time is I'm managing my trade by setting a trailing stop loss. Okay, so once I get one TP hit, I'll go ahead and set my stop loss at break even usually. Okay, and then as a trend is forming, you can move your stop loss below each new lower high that is made. Okay. Okay, so that's basically what I was doing there. Um, and then this last trade here that I took, okay, so I got in on another position. So I saw the uptrend was forming. I re-entered 20 pips away, well, 21 pips away at 72385 at 1458. Okay, so I re-entered. Let's see, I re-entered right here. Okay, 72. Let's see. Oh no, I didn't enter at that time. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so I actually re-entered at 1437. So I actually was looking at the wrong. Okay, so 1437. So that was right here. Okay, it's where I re-entered the trade. Let's see, 3. Okay, so yeah, I entered right here. Okay, right there at the 50-period moving average. Okay, and then this happened. Okay, we had a nice, a nice little breakout, and then it pulled back to this support level here. So it's reestablished support here, and then we had a nice breakout. Okay, nice breakout. And I do have some picks here to show what my trade looked like at the time. Okay, so that's where I bought. Okay, so this is the second trade. That's where I bought right there. Okay, and then we can see here, look at that. And so this is where my new stop loss was set. My initial stop loss for all 4 trades is always set 10 pips away. But then, as structure is formed, I could just reposition my stop loss. But this trade was a winner. So you can see here it moved up even further. That's what it looks like on the 5-minute. And this picture is also the 5-minute, but you can see each take profit set at different levels. Okay, and all my take profits did get hit. And there's another picture on the hourly what it looked like. But as you can see now, on the hourly, the market is moving. Okay, so my take profits did get hit, and the market moved up like I thought it would. Okay. And so that's today. Ended up making another $300 today, which is great. Yesterday I didn't do quite as well. I made like $230, I believe, yesterday. But all in all, I'm up about 4.5% on this account. And I look forward to making more videos like this and keeping you guys posted on my trading journey. So thanks for tuning in, and look out for the next vid.